All right, good morning, guys. Good morning. Day two. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. It was a well-rested night. I needed that rest. All right, sorry, my hair. It was all good. Showered, everything. Logan is still antsy. All right, we're on our way to the last leg. All right, we got like 5 hours to go. So I just got to stop at Walmart, get some stuff for him. All right, and then we're out of here. So once we start heading back on our trip, I'm going to start seeing what stops we got to go to and where we have to stop and how long we have to stay there. All right, so let's go to Walmart, get the stuff for Logan, get some drinks, and get out of here. All right, we'll see you on the road. All right, just heading in into Walmart quick. Got to go get him something. And then we're heading out back on 95 to head down south. All right, I'll be back in like... All right, we are back. It is 72 degrees in here. Not supposed to, but whatever. Okay, so I got him. I had to get him medicine, so I got him his medicine. Everything's good. All right, now let's get out of here. It's 10:30 a.m. Let's see. We are gonna go down. How many stops? Let's calculating. All right, 2 stops. One in Jacksonville. And the other one in Rockledge. That's where it's going to be. The only reason is because I'm at 61% state of charge. So we're going to get into Jacksonville with 11%. All right, so let's head out there. We got an hour and 48-minute drive, and we'll go from there. All right. So let me put on my seatbelt. We are out of here. All right. So we don't have to go do this whole... All right, so yesterday the ride down was good. Most of the drive, the FSD did it. But I was a little bit tired. I only slept like 3 hours, and I did a 14-hour drive, so I was exhausted. And now we're heading back. We got like a total of like 5.5 hours to get to where we got to go. And that's it. So, yeah, I'm very excited to get down there. So is Logan. Go do what I have to do, take care of some stuff, and then I'm heading back. Yep, it's very cloudy today. Yesterday was gorgeous, but down here it's cloudy in Georgia. Very cloudy. I could just turn right here. All right, guys, a little update. It is 62 degrees here, way different than up north. Up north they're freezing and it was snowing. We're at 49%. We're going to get there with 13. Originally before, I think it said 16 or 17%. All right, we got an hour and 15 minutes left to go. Okay, right here. We have an hour and 15 minutes left to go, and we'll get there with 13% state of charge. All right, we're at 49. One thing about... I still didn't get my my version update of version 13. I still didn't get the software update, but since now I've been driving with the 12.5.6.3 version with the highway stacks, I'm on chill mode, so I just want to do less lane changes, but it sees cars on the shoulder and it moves over and it comes back in. It's like phenomenal. It's really good, so I'm happy about that. I just can't wait to see how version 13 is. I can't wait to get that and then test it out. So hopefully I get it while I'm down here so I can use it on the way up. And yeah, so yeah, we got 87 miles to go. Okay, and once we get into Jacksonville, we'll charge up. I'll make Logan walk. He's sleeping. He doesn't feel good. He's got an upset stomach. So just gave him medicine. I called the doctor and he told him to get the thing for his stomach at the Walmart or Petco. So I found it. And that's it. So, yeah, very cloudy today. Not as beautiful as it was yesterday. And but hopefully it gets better. All right, I'll see you guys in Jacksonville. Oh, we're here right now. We're gonna turn here and then go to the back. So it's in that plaza right there. All right, this is a pull-in. Nice. Let's go right here. Let's pull in. So we got here 14%. We got to charge a little bit to get to Rockledge, Florida. All right, let's go charge. All right, we're getting We got to be here for 25 minutes to proceed to the next spot. All right, so let's charge this up. I'm gonna walk Logan, and then we're gonna go get some to eat. All right, we're at in Jacksonville in Winn-Dixie, somewhere in Winn-Dixie. These are drive-in stalls of supercharging. All right, we're just walking around, making sure Logan goes to the bathroom, and yeah, there's not a lot over here. Just a Winn-Dixie and a Dunkin' Donuts. But Logan's over here. Say hi, Logan. Yeah, so yeah, just drive through supercharging station. Stop. Yeah, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 12 stalls. So that's not bad. It's my first time I did a drive through. So we got like 10 minutes left, and then we're heading out. All right. All right, so we got 3 minutes left for the trip. We're at 76%. I got to get some air out of the tire. We'll get to Rockledge Supercharger in Florida with 13%. All right, so here it is. So we got at 77 currently. This slow down. We will get there to Rockledge, Florida with 13%. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, we got 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. We're gonna get there with 15%. At the Rockledge, Florida Superstation. I just took out air from here, so let's see after I drive if it goes down, and that's it. So I'm gonna unplug now because we got 1 minute left, maybe a couple of seconds, and head out. So we're good to go. All right, I'll see you guys in like 30 seconds. All right, let's go. All right, we are out of here. All right, I had to end the trip because my FSD wouldn't work unless I reset it. So let's do the navigation again. I think it'll bring me to the same superstation. No, Melbourne. Even better. All right, perfect. All right, we're gonna go there. All right, we're going West Melbourne, Florida. We'll get there with 15%. We're gonna charge for 15 minutes and then head out, and we're at my cousin's house. All right, I'm out of here. So let's go. I'm gonna stop at Dunkin' Donuts and get some coffee. All right, so got my coffee, needed coffee, got my breakfast sandwich. We're heading out. Now we're moving to West Melbourne. All right, we got 185 miles to go, 2 hours and 38 minutes. We're at 79, well, 80%, 79% state of charge. Okay, and we are going to get there with 13% of battery left. Yep. So far so good. I am going to stop at the next rest area because I got to make my dog walk because he's not feeling well. So I don't want him to have an accident in the car. And so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to stop before that, maybe within, it's 102, 103 right now. So probably I'll stop at like around 140, another 40 minutes. I'll pull over and make him walk around and go to the bathroom. All right. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. We just got here, West Milford. Yeah, West Melbourne, 14%. We got to charge for about 25-30 minutes to get to my cousin's house. All right, let me charge up. I got to walk the dog, and then I'll come back in. All right, we charged up to 89%. We're going to get to my cousin's house with 49%, which is good because I need some battery. All right, we're on our way there now, and we'll be there in about an hour and 37 minutes. Hopefully we don't hit no rush hour traffic. Yeah, probably we will. Anyway. All right, guys, we should be coming up to my cousin's house in about 32 minutes. We have 21 miles left to go. Yeah, so the last supercharging was in West Melbourne. I charged it to like 90%, so I could have some more juice when I get here. But anyway, the road trip was wonderful. I had a blast coming down here. It took me 2 days, okay? I could have done it in 1 day, but I was exhausted, so it took me 2 days. I rested, but yeah, everything was flawless. The supercharging was perfect, no flaws. The FSD was, as usual, phenomenal. All right, now hopefully I get the new update this week coming to my car. I hope it does, but other than that, yeah, that's it. So guys, if you are looking for a Tesla, all right, anyone looking for a Tesla and you're looking to get a Model 3, a Y, a S, or X, I have a referral code, is in the links description below. It can save you up to $2,000. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.